Hey you! Welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix the Wi-Fi is missing from settings. First of all, we go to search and we search for control panel. Then we click on it and then right here make sure that view by is on large icons and then we click on internet options. Then from here we go to advanced and then right now you will see everything right here, but make sure that you click on restore advanced settings, apply and then OK. Alright, solution 2 is just resetting your Wi-Fi. We can do this by going left in the bottom and then go to settings, network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset. And then right now we can reset our network by clicking on reset now, click on yes, and after this restart your PC and hopefully the problem is solved. Alright, solution 3 is fixing our services. So what we want to do now is go to search and search for services. Click on services. And then from here scroll completely to the bottom and then search here for WLAN auto config and double click on that. Make sure that the startup type is on automatic and that the service status is running. So when it's on stopped, click on start and then run this. Then do apply and then do OK. And then right mouse click and do restart for your WLAN auto config. Then after this we do exactly the same for the WWAN auto config. So double click on it, startup type, automatic, server status running, make sure that it is running, apply, OK. And then also for this one, right mouse click and click on restart. Hopefully after restarting your PC, it will be solved. And then the fourth solution is go to the search bar and search for network connections. Click on that. And then right now make sure that you right mouse click here on your Wi-Fi that you are using and click on disable. And then right now click on it again and enable it. Alright, then when our Wi-Fi is back, we need to do the next thing. Click this away. Go to search and search for device manager. Click on device manager. Then right here we go to network adapters and then from here double click on the media tag. Then from now go to driver and then right here go to update driver. Then we go to browse my computer. Then we click on let me pick from my list. Click on this one, next, and the driver got updated. Now he asks us to restart our PC, so please make sure that you will do this and then probably after this solution it will work. And then the next solution is search in the search bar run, then click on that and then please fill in ms configure, like ms config. Then we do OK and then right here make sure that your system configuration is on normal startup and then if you go to services please disable all, then enable all, then we do apply and then do OK. Now we also need to restart our PC and then after that hopefully it will work. Alright, then the last option that you can do and that is a soft reset and you can do this by holding your turn off or turn on button. Hold that one in for 30 seconds. Please keep holding that finger on that button also when your screen is black, because you need 30 seconds to do a soft reset for your PC. So these were all the solutions and hopefully after one of the solutions it will work. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.